Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tips with me. If you're a Cash App user, you know how important it is to keep your transactions private, especially in 2025 with all the new privacy updates. Today, we're tackling how to hide transactions on Cash App, so you can declutter your app and protect your financial info. This is super useful if you want to hide old purchases from prying eyes or just keep things organized. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your phone. Updates in 2025 have made hiding transactions even easier and more secure, so head to your App Store and update if needed. Once you're good, open the Cash App and log in with your PIN or fingerprint for extra security. Now, navigate to the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your transactions are listed. Scroll through until you find the one you want to hide. Tap on it to open the details. Look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to more options. In the menu, you'll see a Hide or Archive option. Go ahead and select that. Cash App might ask you to confirm, so just tap Yes or Confirm to proceed. Boom! That transaction is now hidden from your main activity feed. It's still accessible if you need it for records, but it's out of sight for everyday viewing. A quick tip. Remember, hiding transactions doesn't delete them, so they're still there for tax purposes or if you need to reference them later. Always use this feature responsibly to maintain good financial habits. If you're hiding something for privacy, that's great, but don't use it to avoid legitimate tracking. There you have it, folks, a simple way to keep your Cash App tidy and private. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.